switching out sawdust day. I'm exhausted. We've done 2 rooms. We're doing that room. So those are all the old sawdust in there. So we're scraping them off the floor, and then we put them on our crops, or give it away or sell, whatever works. So this room is done. Clean sawdust. We did this room today. It was, they got like, they got coxy, so then I had to quickly change the sawdust and put them on Amprocox for 5 days. So today is day 1. Today is Sunday. I've been here all day long. I'm exhausted. Let me show you the white ones. Here are the white ones. Sorry, I have something in my mouth, so excuse how I'm talking. Yeah, so they got cocks. We've been having a lot dying, and they're like 15 weeks. It's almost time for them to lay. So after spending so much money on feed and they start dying, it really hurts. But they got coxy. Our worker wasn't taking care of the sawdust, so it was like cakey and it was smelly. Yes? Okay, I had to go take one of the brown ones. It's being pecked. So yeah, this one died today. We've had 3 dead today. The white ones, like it's so painful when they're this big. Almost time for them to lay and they die. So we had to immediately change everything, put them on Amprocox for 5 days. Today is day 1, so wish me luck. There will be 16 weeks on Wednesday. Today is Sunday, so it's time to, yeah, as I was saying, the water drips, and then our worker wasn't changing it, so it was cakey and yucky. Yes, we've told them several times to change it, but you know how it is. Sometimes they don't listen. So we've lost about over 10 today. I mean, this week we've lost over 10, which is not good at all. So painful. So yeah, that's what happening on the farm. I haven't been taking regular videos because there's not much. Next, we're going to be preparing for the cages where they'll be laying eggs, because anytime soon they'll be laying eggs. Hopefully soon. Yeah, and the timing is great because they're going to be laying the eggs around September, October, November, December, and apparently eggs are very on high demand around Christmas time. So good timing for that, but hopefully it's going to be all worth it. I can't wait to see the first egg. I promised Nichelle I'll give it to her, so Nichelle will have the first egg, or maybe I should share it for all of them because they've been helping. Yeah, you see them staring at me, eh? Hi, see mama? Hello guys, you're running away. Okay, yeah, so they're doing the other rooms while I was topping up their feed and water and stuff. So I'm gonna go check on what's happening on the last room. Like, we woke up, we left them around 5 a.m. Yeah, and I've made many trips for sawdust, so it's like getting dark. It's probably well over 4 if it's not 4:30 already, and we're still here. It's not easy. Yeah, 12 hours straight work. It's not easy. During sawdust day, we put all the old ones in the bag. We scrape them off the floor like that. Okay, with this and that, put them in the bag. Okay, and then we put the new ones on there. So as you see, they're still here. This one is just paralyzed, but so you see, as they see you, they run, so that's normal. So those are all the bags of the old sawdust. It's a good fertilizer, so farmers are coming here for it. The villagers are coming here for it. And initially we were giving it for free, but now I'm thinking about selling because the amount of energy that goes in to scrape them off the floor and bag them and then store them there, we better charge. So I don't know. That's where we're storing them for now. Okay. So this is a whole day kind of thing. No break. That's what I did with my Sunday. So almost done. And it's raining. That's what you're hearing. So now we'll fill all this, okay? Take it all out and then bring in the new ones sitting right here. And this is like dust. I try to clean it. It's difficult. It's a farm. So we're doing our best. So yeah, I'll let you know when we'll put in the new sawdust on the floor and how it's done. Right now we're taking the old ones out. All this. Here are the new and clean sawdust. We're bringing those in so you can put them in. Okay. They're already messing with it. They were dying for it. Yeah, so the browns have been separated. Half are here, half is in the middle room, and then the white are in the first room. See how frantic they are? But that's how we have to do it. There's no other way. Oh, maybe. So that's one of our workers. We have two right now. Jacob. Kenneth traveled to visit family. So, Jacob. Hey. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Oh, I need the lid. It's not easy, guys. They are flying everywhere. They're so scared. But that's how we have to do it. There's no other way to do it. And then after that, we use the green shovel right there to spread it even better. Okay, I have to go mix their medicine now, so I'm gonna stop here and go get busy. See, here they are, all of them. Where, oh gosh, this is what happens, and if you don't separate them quick, within a minute they will die. They step on each other. They don't even care. They don't care. Stampede. Okay. Shh, shh, shh. Especially in the corner here. So yeah, guys, a day in changing sawdust. 3 rooms. This is the last room. Yay! And it's time to go home after. Check me out. See? This is the life of a farmer. Okay? Super dirty. Don't I look cute? Check me out. So I'm not here living a slave queen life in Ghana. I'm working. I work. Yep. This is me all day, every day. Dirty. Okay. Huh? Me closing. So guys, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my channel. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Yes, this is me, Sunday. We're done changing the sawdust. I'm just gonna make sure they have food and water and call it a day, okay? So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.